What's your name, by the way?
My name's Paula Denver. I'm the past lady captain, Hollywood Golf Club.
So, Paula, you just saw Rory.
Just
What's your thoughts?
unbelievable. So well deserved. And we're all just so proud, but we're just so made up for him. Not even about the club, just for Rory. He just deserved this so much. And tears of joy all over the place tonight. It was like stunned silence too. Everybody in bits. We're so delighted for him. It was brilliant.
What were your thoughts whenever they went to that, they went to the playoff, or they went to the...
Every confidence. I don't know what it was this year. It was just, nope, he'll do it. This was it. And really glad he proved me right. So delighted. Just
And what's it going to mean for the club in the area?
Yeah, for Hollywood, unbelievable. But he's always been there. He's always been an ambassador. He's always been a supporter of the club. He has supported everything. He supported charities, my charity last year, Friends of Cancer Centre. He's just an unbelievable ambassador for everywhere, for Hollywood, Northern Ireland, Ireland, just across the board. And everybody should be just so proud to be important.
What's the plans this coming week?
I don't even want to think about it. I unfortunately have to go to work. Husband, Mr. President, Tony, is off work. He planned ahead a wee bit better than me, but I think there'll be a party about Hollywood, all right, yeah.